when someone is doing self hypnosis, are they saying it out loud, or how about if they have something recorded and they listen to it repetitively? What do you think about that?
I think any way that you can reinforce it, do it, you know, out loud. You can have it on an audio, or you can just say it over and over again to yourself in 3 different ways, over and over and over again, so that you're just really using all your senses. So the more you use, obviously, that would be more powerful.
When you say 3 different ways, tell me specifically what 3 different kinds of ways.
So, for example, let's say you want to earn $250,000 by December 31st, and you want to ask your unconscious mind, A, if it's A, possible, and B, if it is, then to really give you the inside information that you need. So they give you the resources that you need so that you can achieve that goal. So you may say, I earn $250,000 a year by December 31st, 2023, or by 2020, by December 31st, 2023, I will earn $250,000 in my business. And you can be more specific in terms of if you're doing sales and marketing, if you're doing a specific task within your job, and then you can say, well, by using my tools for social media, I will earn $250,000 a year by 2023. So those are some ways that you can.
I love that. Yes, I'd never heard that from anyone else before. I've heard to use all your senses, and I've heard to be clear, but not to come at it through different ways, to let your mind work on these different ways that it may happen. I think some people who do very simply, I know by December 31st, 2023,
Mm-hmm.
I'll have so much money in the bank, but they don't go any further than that.
Right. And you can make it really specific. And I earn $250,000 by December 31st, 2023. I will see it in my bank statements, in, QuickBooks. However you want to be as specific as possible.
Mm-hmm.
And then not only doing that through hypnosis, but then you can also reinforce it by using timeline therapy, which is another tool. It's another hypnosis tool that you can use. And that really, you can place that specific goal in a timeline so that you can see it happening by that date and by that time, and by whatever method you are looking for, whether it's QuickBooks, your bank account, your P&L statement. So it's all of those in conjunction really do help. And that's why
That's powerful. That's powerful. Yes.